Hello, so this is a video to review the verb be from Unit 1. Okay, so this was on page 4 of the ebook. Task 1A. What's your name? What is your name? My name's Alistair. Where are you from? I am from Britain. Tell the class about another student. This is Fatima. She's from the UAE. Let's talk about the people in the photographs. Where's he from? Where is he from? He is from the UAE. Where's he from? Where is he from? He's from Argentina. Where's he from? He's from Poland. In the next picture we have two people, so we need a different language. They are from, well, where are they from? They are from Australia. They're from Australia. Where is she from? She is from Mexico. Where are they from? They are from the USA. On the next slide, this is about the verb be. So the verb be is am, are, and is. So when I say verb be, what I mean is am, are, is. Okay, so we need to put these words in the spaces. The first one, I am fine. I'm fine. Number 2, are you from Mexico? But because it's the first word in the sentence, I need a capital letter. He is from Ireland. Carla, if it's a name, it's the same as he or she. One name. So Carla is from Italy. If it's two names, it's different. It's the same as they. So we say they are, but Ben and Emily are from Australia. Okay, and then in the second part we have two question words. So the first one, what's your name? The second one, where are you from? Okay, and here we have another explanation. So be, am, is, are. I am, I'm. You are, you're. Okay, so I'm, or you, you're, we call this the short form. Okay, so when we're speaking quickly, we use the short form. So I am, I'm, you are, you're, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, they are, they're. Okay, so let's complete the table. I am. She is. You are. They are. My teacher is. So my friend is, my teacher is, my brother is. That's the same as he or she. We are. Okay, so in this picture, this slide, you have to match the sentence to the picture. And most of these pictures we're using the short form. Okay, so her name's Hannah. Her name is Hannah. C. His name's Gustavo. His name is Gustavo. B. Their names are Amy and Lucas. A. Picture A is two people, whereas picture B is a man, a single man. Picture C is a single woman. He's from Brazil, so that's the single man. That's picture B. They are from Sydney, Australia. They're from Sydney, Australia. Picture A, because two people. She is from Krakow in Poland. That's the single female. Picture C. She's 33 and she's married. Picture C. They are both 26. I could say they're both 26. Picture A, two people. He's 19. Single man. Picture B. She's a businesswoman. Single woman. Picture C. They're tourists. Two people. Picture A. He's a student at university. Single man. Picture B. He isn't married, he's single. Picture B. They aren't married, they are friends. They're friends. Picture A. She isn't on holiday, she's on business. Picture C. Okay, so in this table we have the long form and the short form. So I'll just read them. I am, I'm, you are, you're, he is, he's, she is, she's, it is, it's, we are, we're, they are, they're, I am not, I'm not, you are not, you're not, he is not, he's not, she is not, she's not, it is not, it's not, we are not, we aren't, they are not, they aren't. So now we have to make true and false sentences about the people in the pictures. So I'll make one true and one false about each picture. Amy and Lucas are from Italy. That's false. Amy and Lucas are not from Italy. They're from Australia. Amy and Lucas are 26. That's true. Gustavo is 33. False. Gustavo is not 33. He is 19. Hannah is a businesswoman. That's correct. Hannah is 22. That's false. Hannah is not 22. She is 33. I think I need to do one more about Gustavo. Gustavo is from Brazil. That's true. Okay, and we'll finish with 2 practice activities. So this one we have to make the short form. He is a student. He's a student. I am Marta. I'm Marta. You are on holiday. You're on holiday. I am not married. I'm not married. We are not from Madrid. We're not from Madrid. We're from Rome. We're from Rome. Okay, and the last one, this one. So we have to put B in the correct place. So be, if you remember, is am, is are in the present. Number 1. I from Poland. I am from Poland. I'm from Poland. Number 2. He at work. He is at work. He's at work. Number 3. You not English. You are not English. You're not English. Number 4. They Italian. They are Italian. They're Italian. Number 5. I not a student. I am not a student. I'm not a student. Number 6. She 19 years old. She is 19 years old. She's 19 years old. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.